Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you another cool piece of technology that I got to check out at CES. That product is Eureka's all-new J20 mop and vacuum robot, which was announced and launched at this year's Consumer Electronics Show. Now I myself own previous generations of Eureka's robotic vacuum cleaners, and they work amazingly well. This new release model builds on that technology and the capabilities of previous generations, and it takes them to a whole nother level. It's got great new features and a bunch of new enhancements. This year at Eureka's booth, I did get to catch up with a couple of their representatives, and they shared with me a bunch of the new features and the technology behind this J20 robot, starting with the belt-type mop pad with roll renewal technology. This technology ensures that the mop is continuously cleaned as it's traveling across the floor so that it's not continuously mopping the floor with a dirty pad. Now in addition to that, the mop itself does span across the entire robot instead of like other robots which uses dual mops and very thin mopping surfaces, which may end up missing areas as it's cleaning. This configuration ensures that the mop is not only cleaning with a clean mop, but it also makes the cleaning performance much better than any of its competitors. In addition to that, the robot also vacuums at the same time so that by the time the mop reaches the area to be clean, any kind of debris, dust, or particles are vacuumed up before it does reach the mop itself. Now when it comes to the vacuuming capabilities of the robot, the vacuuming portion has an 8,000 kPa suction, which allows it to pick up virtually anything and everything. When the robot is cleaning or is preparing to clean, you can also use the app to customize what type of cleaning you want the robot to do. So for example, you can turn off and on specific features, meaning if you only want the robot to mop, you can set the robot to just mop. Or if you want the robot to just vacuum, you can set the robot to just vacuum and it will adjust accordingly. But by default, it does both at the same time. In addition to that, you can also customize the robot for different surfaces and heights by simply changing the mop attachment and accessories. One particular accessory and mop type, for example, is the dual-sided mop, which partnered with the J20's advanced vision technology and AI, enables the robot to automatically detect the type of surface, so the robot can switch between the mop and a rubber surface when moving across carpet or hardwood or vinyl surfaces. This allows the robot to be more versatile and adapt to different floor surfaces real time. Now when it comes to the base charging center, what I like about this J20 robot system from Eureka is that it's got both independent clean water and dirty water tanks, as well as an independent dustbin, which allows the base system to refill the robot with clean water, empty the dirty water, and then empty all the debris and dirt particles that it has vacuumed up for a truly hands-free and autonomous experience. Now, according to Eureka, the dust bag can go without being replaced for up to 75 days. On top of that, this charging bay also cleans the mop itself, ensuring that it's always ready and able to continuously clean without having to worry about replacing the mop itself. There is also a separate chamber for liquid cleaner, soap, and fragrances, which the base charging unit automatically mixes into the clean water when it's loading the robot up with water. Now that means you don't have to add and premix the soap to the water to just sit around stagnant in the clean water bay. In fact, the AI handles this and it measures the right amount that needs to be added to the water when it's refilling the robot mop and vacuum cleaner. Now, as mentioned previously, the bay itself is also equipped so that it can spray clean the mopping pad and then heat and dry the pad as well before the robot goes out again, minimizing the need for you to replace or clean the pad yourself. When it comes to navigation and mapping, the robot uses advanced AI as well as LiDAR and front-facing cameras and infrared technology to ensure that it can accurately map its surroundings and even for obstacle avoidance. And then like most other robots, it's got the bumpers all around the robot itself, pretty much as a backup system if something was to obstruct its other visual technology systems. And then because of the enhanced AI, it's always learning. Now, according to the Eureka representative that I spoke to, the J20 does have about a 2-hour runtime, and the robot will automatically return to the station to charge when needed and then continue where it left off. Now, at the time of the show, I wasn't able to get the pricing or even when it would be available, but I expect that it will be available to purchase very soon. Now, I am hoping, and I did ask if Eureka could send me out a unit to test out, and if they do, you can be sure that I will post a follow-up video with my hands-on experience, so stay tuned. And then, aside from this new J20 robotic vacuum and mop, Eureka did have a number of other new technologies that they were showcasing at their booth. This included a bunch of new handheld and full-size vacuum cleaners and other cleaning devices and technologies. There was even a washer and dryer combo that had a built-in robotic vacuum cleaner, which would allow you to save up a lot of space and improve overall efficiency. Overall, it was an exciting experience, and I'm super excited for this J20 robot, so stay tuned for more. Anyways, I know this video was short, but I do hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please check out my other videos covering CES and make sure you click that like button and subscribe for more of my videos. Please make sure you also ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content, as well as a follow-up video reviewing in depth this J20 robotic vacuum and mop when I get my hands on it. Until the next video, see ya.